Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Out there, family, and we have some.
I don't know where it is. Where?
Sweet potato pudding, family.
Let's go now.
If you haven't tasted it yet,
Come back.
need to forward.
Come back.
JamRock, come taste it, family. As you know, this Sunday, every Sunday, we have a Sunday brunch. And you get your pudding, Jamaican style, Jamaican sweet potato pudding. So I'm there right now, I'm going to try it out. Nice. Now about 10 minutes from now, we have a hot wings challenge. In Jamaica, you know about hot patty challenge, bun challenge. So at JamRock, we have hot wings challenge. In a few.
No.
These are the contestants, them right there, so. I make them TikTok video. I make them TikTok video.
So it's like on the other road. So these are challenge.
So in a few, family. I'm saying. Hot wings. Yeah, family. So those are the contestants. I'm doing TikTok challenge. So let's go with our JamRock. This and every Sunday brunch. You know what I mean? Something new, the Jamaican way. Come and check it out. Yeah, family. So we're there at the Hot Wings channel. The Hot Wings challenge, JamRock. And these are the contestants. That's the wing. Hot! Where's the David? Hot?
You can't be tasting before.
Where's them a warm up? Hot wings.
So we start. Oh, so that they can look at.
I say, who are we? Who?
Yes, I can do the flow.
Yeah, family, that's JamRock right there. JamRock.
Off the bone. You finish everything.
Like you feed them, David. You feel like you do a challenge, but I feed them.
4 minutes,
Yeah, David said hot, but I don't feel like it hot. Let's see. Hot it up. Hot walk.
30 seconds.
Hot wings. One.
Alright, so you have to say welcome to the challenge.
So I'm ready. You ready? Yes. You ready? Yes. So you can. No, David, put it like this. Yes, like that.
International.
So you can start.
Ready?
So we are doing the hot spicy wings challenge, and these are our contestants. Under 3 minutes and 30 seconds, the first to finish is getting a free meal of JamRock restaurant. So 1, 2, 3. There's nothing. Go!
Go! I feed them.
2 minutes
You know hot?
remaining. 2 minutes. And you must chew, we must see your tongue after you're done. You can put it in the mouth, but you must chew everything down your throat. With no water. So let's see.
Round it then.
You must chew everything.
Why should we win, David? I wanna win.
You must chew everything.
Pepper. Hot wings. 2 minutes.
Let's see. The first to finish. And you must see your bones. Your bones must be as clean. No, you must chew everything. There's more chicken. You must chew everything down your throat. No. You must chew everything.
All right, family, and the winner.
The winner is Karen. Under 1 minute. Rodney, drink water.
Water. Bombo, sorry.
This is the winner.
Why, David, it's hot. Yeah, family, so with our JamRock. And it's hot. Until a few of the contestants can't even finish.
So this is the second contestant. He has finished everything off the bone. Wow. Karen, was it hot?
You say, David, it's hot. All right, family, so you see who's the winner?
He's complaining he wants water and the tumbler is not coming out.
Yeah, family, so answer she participating in the other one. I never expect that. But let's see how she do.
The 3 minutes was too long. The first one, no, you finished under 2.
So it's on. Who's it next for?
Him, and I. She doesn't lose. Yeah.
Okay.
That's 3.
All right.
After she saw them, she's like, fuck that.
Oh, it's three people. So more.
I want you to smile.
Huh?
Whoever's getting this one lucky.
Hot wings.
Get her feet. Get her feet.
And is it that spicy? One buckler and we can't carry on a date. Yeah man people, I don't know how to go on viewers and subscribers. It's me, One Love Africa. We're here on the Spice to Wing Challenge. So the Spice to Wings Challenge right here at JamRock, Brookside Grove, Brookside Business Park, GW Brookside Business Park. So we have Ancestor, I do the Spice to Wing Challenge. And I wonder if she win or she lose, but to all Anna go on, me don't think we can carry upon no date.
The way you have to eat it is like this.
Yeah. But you have it swallow. Let me see how you have it one.
18 seconds. 18 seconds is still have
Where?
9, 8, 7.
Hey, knock her back.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So that's how spicy it is. Viewers and subscribers, that's how spicy JamRock wings are. So if you guys think you can qualify for this challenge, DM or send a message. Well, DM, yeah, or reach out. You understand? Even in the comment section, let us know if you can take on this challenge. Spice wing challenge right here at JamRock.
Yeah, family.
And how you feel? I was what Anna said now. Anne, how do you feel? Okay, it's so hot, you can't even speak. Yeah, man. So, yo, tell me something about the challenge, David. Because the people that want to know what go on. What can I talk to them about the challenge? How do they enter?
It's you can enter by sending us a DM
Yeah.
on Instagram.
Yeah?
But you want to participate in the challenge. It's
All
every
right.
Friday.
Every Friday?
Every Friday.
Okay, every Friday. You hear
And
that?
it's basic. Just spicy wings. First person to finish it under 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Wins.
Under 3 minutes?
Yes.
How much? How many pieces?
5 pieces.
5 pieces? Oh, I'm shy into man. You get 5 free wings.
Price you pay for 5 wings.
Well, yeah, it's spicy.
You see the price? Look at that face. Look at that face. Get that face.
That's Ancestor. You know it's your girl Ancestor. So people, don't try this if you can't manage it. Watch it, hold on there. There's more wings on the table. See? They can't manage. They thought and they think they could manage, but they can't. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers. Your guy, One Love Africa right here. Tune in on the Spicy Wing Challenge. We kind of come a little late to capture what's going on. But you don't know me busy, I do other stuff. So I pull up JamRock our place. It's not all the time you can find me here. But when you do find me, you find me. Yeah man. That's the thing about me, people always quarrel about. Say, yo, Ricardo, hard to get to you, man. I say still can't make people study you. But we're right here with Jamaican spot with all our Jamaican communities. The Spice to Wing Challenge. Link up the rest of the yard, them in the building. So they must say. What they must say now? Hold up, Venice. This is Venice right here.
Oh no.
No, it's okay. This is my queen, the reggae girl, Venice. And this is Kate Berry. Kate, what on?
Good day, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Yeah, the reggae. Alright, we'll catch you right. Where's the reggae club yet?
No go no reggae club yet.
This Saturday.
Me there 3 weeks and them not tell.
Well, they've been hiding, you know, 3 weeks to hide. Yeah, man. Tomorrow night, a reggae night. True. But I was the one that made the promise, but tomorrow night we are carry Venice. Yeah man, what last night Russia too much rain. Catch us at the reggae night, catch us on the road, catch us on the move. Your guy One Love Africa, right here at JamRock, Brookside, every Friday, Spice Wing Challenge. Send your DM, send your message, reach out to us. Even in the comment section, we can get you guys to enter. 5 pieces of wings. Free as cost. You're getting 5 pieces as free hot spicy barbecue JamRock wings. right here. And if you enter, the first person that finishes in less than 3 minutes win. When I win, free meal from JamRock. How many meals? Me now tell you. Just enter or reach out and you will know the information. Spice wing. One love, Ricardo. There watch Wagwan. Capture it. Wagwan. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So I'm here drinking some rum and Coke.
And talk about the 6 love.
Coca-Cola. So Careberry, come on Kenya, come give me a buck up 6.
Buck up 6 one.
Thanks to Jam Tours. Nah, take it alone now. Thanks to Jam Tour Africa. You make Careberry give you 6.
Courtesy of JamRock. How about?
Courtesy of the Dominoes.
JamRock.
At JamRock. So we'll get a 6. So for that we have a drink rum and Coke. It's the Jamaican drink, 9-night style. So all of who used to go on 9-night and who know about dead yard, rum and Coke with Domino. You understand? See there? So we're gonna draw we are now. Cause 1-6 drop. 1-6 and nothing right now.
Them miss one day, get wet. Get wet.
See my hand there? Boy, them dead now, you know, man.
On them, you know.
Who get 6 now? Viewers and subscribers, we're here to witness. We're gonna drop a 6 tonight. Me get one, me not gonna lie. Countryman, come give me 6.
Stop hype up yourself.
So, me I take it.
Stop hype up yourself.
You ever talk in the background? See me? See me there?
Stop hype.
You give me a 1-6, you know.
I'm going to hype round here.
Put it in the glass, but
Where my drink? Where my drink? Where my drink? Alright, the people, if you're Jamaica or if you're from the Caribbean, and you know about rum and Coke with Domino game,
it's Ricardo,
you know what
flavors.
How many reggae flavors?
Now you.
Done with the company a long time. Sell out. You know, kill the link. So here we are going now. I'll show you some more. When we drop the 6, I'm going to record it and show you guys. When we get the 6 live and direct. Rum and 6. What's the famous last word? They're JamRock still, you know. So all of you guys can like, subscribe and share. Some yard music, we have all our vibes. So I'll go on. Yeah, man.
What means the point?
Some, you know, some yard music, reggae music, Jamaican music right here. Drink some rum and Coke. And we'll be some Domino. Drop 6 and we'll take 6. I'll eat some Jamaican food. This is an island Caribbean experience right here. So if you want to feel this experience, come right here at GW Brookside Business Park. Right at Brookside, beside Westland. You can't miss. Just type in JamRock in the Bolt or in the Uber or JamRock on your Google and or your Facebook or your Instagram. JamRock Restaurant. It's going to be at GW Business Park Brookside. So you can't go wrong. Because you know you type in JamRock in Google, a few other JamRocks going to come up. But if you want to come here with the celebrities, me, One Love Africa and Jam Tour Africa, with all of the Jamaicans them, the Yasso, with the Americans them and the British and the return diaspora repats, we're here. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Share the love, share the video, and if you guys have any questions to ask, comment below.
6 love again, 6 love again.
See him there?
6 love again.
One buck up 6, it now gone away. Rum in the head. Then if you know someone that gets 6 and drop down dead. So viewers, walk on.
Be alright. Be alright.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Everything's gonna be alright. No one
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
No one gonna cry. We don't cry. We don't cry. Slogan.
Yeah.
What you say tomorrow we have the Sunday?
Tomorrow.
Sunday.
Man, Sunday we
This
have
Sunday.
the brunch.
Yeah.
This Sunday. So the people need to come out and support the Sunday brunch. What's going on this Sunday? I'm going to be the chef. Chef Ricardo. You taste my pudding, you guys see my pudding, you guys see my cooking. You guys been following us a year about me. I've opened restaurants before. I make a lot of people rich. So it's now you guys should come over here and taste our food. This Sunday, JW Brookside. As again, GW Brookside Business Park right here in Westland. Let's come over this Sunday. 1,400 shillings, give you so much food. You get, a matter of fact, I'm telling people, you get barbecue fried chicken, aka barbecue fried chicken. You get curry goat, the Jamaican ram goat, the rum and cookie nights. You understand? You get red peas, beef soup with some spinach. Tastes just like a stew peas, no pigtail in that. You understand? A matter of fact, we have some white rice and we have some rice and peas. Who want white rice and curry goat? Can get that. I want rice and peas, can also get that. We have some coconut curry, chickpea, vegetarian thing, you understand? Coleslaw, plant, crushed green plantain, all works. Come out with the sweet potato pudding and come out with the watermelon ginger juice right here, Brookside.
Yeah, come out. And we have Venice here. She's a vegetarian. Should I get some chickpea?
But I will be here. I'm leaving.
She's leaving.
When is that? Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
So when you coming back?
Listen it.
I'll be back.
Whenever you're back.
Yeah, I'll be back whenever I'm back.
But so far you love Nairobi and the thing
Listen,
said.
I was only supposed to be here for 10 days, but I've been here almost a month.
Yeah.
You know what?
Wagwan, brother.
Testimonial of the video. You know about reggae flavors already. You know
Yeah,
about
yeah.
Chef Ricardo.
Yes, sir.
Tell the people in Wagwan.
Listen.
Because you see the way you now talk Wagwan.
Talk about the 6 logo on the
Don't be
just
shy.
get.
Be shy already.
Talk about the 6 logo on the just get.
Wanna get them 6
So tell them about reggae flavors in
Tanzania. I was there from conception. From the beginning, I was
Yeah,
there.
man. She was there.
Yeah, man. What was it? January. When did you guys arrive? January 2021? February. I
Yeah.
arrived in January 20, so just before you guys.
Yeah, man. In Africa.
Yeah.
So we arrived in Africa the same year on the continent. I was still
right.
here.
Yeah, I'm still in Kenya right
A
now.
lot of people come and leave, but we still fight the fight. It wasn't easy. A
Yeah.
lot of struggles and ups and downs, but we're still there.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
That's it.
The people just come, man. Right now, there'll be some coke.
Yeah.
And we're not talking about cocaine, we're talking about rum.
Alright family, so we're there. There's a store inside us so we can get some healthy stuff. So I'm gonna buy pay for some stuff. We have some stuff here, what to do with them? Where you hide for? Lucky when we stuff them there. Where? Yeah, I'm recording. But I'm promoting your business, right? You don't want to be on the camera. Yeah, family, so I'm gonna get something for this jam tour. So she wants some fennel seed. We have here some sesame seed. You know, we had vegan choice food. We try to keep it healthy. So cash that. With some fennel seed from Miss Jam Tour to bring down the breast milk. Cash that. And we have some, you know, we have some grains, some peas. We have chickpeas here, so. And we have, this one is which one? Yeah, so we have black beans. And we have chickpeas here, so family. So, yeah, family. So when you come at JamRock, you can check out this store. You can find some healthy stuff inside. So you know when you come, you can do a shopping family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. We're out for tonight, but Sunday come and check out the brunch. It's gonna be a different menu and JamRock menu in association with Jam Tours and One Love Africa. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts. And let me know when you come into Kenya. We're willing and ready, and we're there and wait to take care of you, show you around and take you around. We out. One love. God bless Jamaica. I'm out.